Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another exciting try-on haul for you for Korean fashion. If you are wondering what Korean fashion actually means, these are styles that have been popularized by a lot of K-pop idols and K-dramas. If you have been following a lot of K-pop stars and K-drama actors, then you know there are certain styles that get pretty popular. And that's what I mean when I say K-drama styles or K-pop fashion. And I found some of these cute looks on Meesho and under a budget. So let's check them out. So these are 4 outfits that I got from Meesho, and these all scream totally K-pop or K-drama style. So this is the first one. This one has a panel of denim on top followed by like a black knit. This one is pretty cute, and you can see a lot of like Korean stars wear these outfits in their behind the scene videos, or a lot of K-drama actors. So this one has a nice cute vibe. So let's see the next one. This one totally screams K-dramas. If you've seen a lot of dramas, you must have seen the white shirt inside and a nice tweed or a nice houndstooth fabric a dress which is on top of it. So this one mimics the same style. I'm really excited to try this one out. It also has this cute bow tie up on the neck. The next one is pretty popular as well. This is the faux leather look, which you can see a lot of the villains or the badass K-drama actors wearing it. This one is another cute denim style, which is a very preppy girl next door sort of vibe. The dress looks pretty big for me in size, but let's check it out if this actually looks good on. So this is the first look, and I've styled it with this cute baseball cap. It has a nice soft black knit fabric in the bottom and the denim on top, which is slightly itchy, but I think it's not that bad. Also, it has these frayed edges on the collar, which adds a little something to the whole look. And the fit is pretty nice as well. I went for a size small or an extra small for this one. I love the top pattern of this one. It looks really cute, and I feel like it's really nicely done as well. You can see the panel connecting to the sleeve. This is the next look, and this has to be my favorite of the lot. But my only problem is it's pretty big on me. I also had to tuck it in the bag for it to even look decent on me. And this was probably a size small or an extra small if I remember, but it's pretty huge. I think this would pass off as a size medium or a large. So I think if you're looking for a smaller size, this is not the look for you. But coming to the style of it, it's pretty cute. It has this nice bow detail on the top and these little frill gathered detail on the sleeve, which gives off a nice Korean drama vibe, if I must say. And also the fabric is only a print of the houndstooth style. It's not actually the houndstooth fabric that they wear, but it can mimic if you're going for a nice styling shoot or you want to recreate a K-drama outfit, then you can pass this off pretty decently. Otherwise, I think for the budget, it's alright, but it's not as good as it seems. The next one is the faux leather style that I've been waiting to try on, and I must say it's not as disappointing as I thought it would be. It's actually pretty decent because it has this fabric which has been stitched, which looks like faux leather, but it's actually just a normal black glossy fabric. Also, the fabric is pretty comfortable, so I have no complaints about that. And it has these nice solid black matte buttons, which makes it seem like it's done with the same fabric, but it's just a solid black that is on it. I think this is pretty decent, and I think for the price, it's a win-win situation. This is the last one, and I have to say this is the least of my favorites. The only thing I like about this outfit has to be the shirt that I'm wearing on top. But this clearly looks like an L or an XL for me. I had to take in most of the dress to like make it at least look decent on me. But other than that, even the style is not quite as the picture is. There's no fall off the skirt, and it looks really odd on the waist because it tucks this way. And also the neck is pretty high, and it's not an adjustable strap. But the shirt on top is pretty cute. It looks just like the picture. It's giving off the vibe, but it's not quite there, and it still clearly looks like it's a fake. So what do you think of this outfit? So that was it for today, guys. Those were all the looks that I tried on. Some of them were hit or miss, but some of them are really cute. Let me know if you want me to do more such Meesho hauls, and if you want me to add the links for these down below, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and do like this video and share it with someone you know who also loves K-pop and K-dramas. Thank you for watching.